Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are covering exactly how to deposit funds into your JustMarkets broker account directly from your phone. The process is simple, secure, and takes less than a minute. First, open the JustMarkets mobile app and make sure you are logged into your personal area. Right on the main dashboard, tap the deposit option. Next, select the specific trading account you want to fund. You will then see a list of payment methods. For this walkthrough, choose bank card as your payment type. Keep in mind that depending on your region, e-wallets, crypto, or local bank transfers might also be available. Now, carefully enter your payment details. Type in your card number, the cardholder's name exactly as it appears, the expiration date, and your CVV security code. After filling out your card information, enter the exact amount you wish to deposit. Review the total to ensure everything is correct and hit the deposit button at the bottom of your screen. Your transaction will be processed and your funds will be ready for trading shortly. If this guide helped you get set up, be sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.